Ordinary process of arithmetic. Element of natural number. Even numbers. These are numbers that are divisible by 2 without a remainder, e.g. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and so on. Odd numbers. These are numbers that are not divisible by 2, e.g. 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. Prime numbers. These are numbers that are not divisible by any other number except themselves, e.g. 2, 3, 5, 7, 13, 17, 5, 19, and so on. Factors are numbers that multiply together to give another number. When two or more numbers are multiplied together, the result is called product. Then the multiplied number are factors of the product. For example, when two numbers 2 and 3 multiply to give 6, which is the product, then 2 and 3 are referred to as the factors of 6. Factors can also be considered as numbers that divide any number without a remainder. Thus, 12 divided by 6 equals 2. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Thus, 2, 3, 4, and 6 are factors of 12. It means that a divisor and quotient of a number are the factors of the dividend. Note, dividing is the number to be divided, while the divisor is the dividing number and the result is the quotient. Thus, dividing over divisor equals to quotient. What are they trying to tell us? They are trying to tell us that the number that is to be divided is called the dividing, while the number that we divide that number is divisor. Whatever you have becomes the quotient. Hence, dividing equals to quotient times divisor. Factors of a number do not necessarily multiply themselves together to give that number. For instance, 12 has factors 2, 3, 4, 8, and if these factors are multiplied together, they will not give you exactly 12. That is 2, 3, 4, and 16, which equals 11. So they are just trying to tell us that when we say these numbers are the factor of so number, they are just trying to tell us that if you multiply some of this number together, you will get that number. Therefore, factors of a number are all numbers that can divide that number without remainder. Thus, the factors of 24 are 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. The factors of 45 are 3, 5, 9, 15. Prime factors. When factors of a number are prime numbers, the factors are called prime factors. For instance, 12 has factors 2, 3, 4, 6, but the numbers that are prime number in those factors are 2 and 3. Therefore, 2 and 3 are prime factors of 12. Prime factors of 15 are 3 and 5. 45 are 3 and 5. 21 are 3 and 7. And 42 are 2, 3, and 7. Remember, we said prime numbers are numbers that are not divisible by any other number except themselves. To factorize a number is to express the number in factors which make a product equal to the number. Thus, 180 can be factorized by breaking the number into possible factors, which when multiplied together give 180. Thus, 180 equals 2 times 90, 2 times 2 times 45, 2 times 2 times 3 times 15, 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. All these numbers are all factors of 180. Common factors. A common factor is a factor that is shared between or contained in all the given numbers. A common factor is a factor that is shared between or contained in all the given number. For instance, 12 and 18 have factors as 12 equals 2 times 2 times 3 and 18 equals 2 times 3 times 3. The factors common to the two numbers are 2 and 3. Why? Because you can find 2 here in the factors of 12 and you can also find it here in the factors of 18. You can also find 3 here in the factors of 12 and you will also find 3 here in the factors of 18. So they are common, which makes it the common factor. The factors common to the two numbers are 2 and 3. The factors common to two numbers are 2 and 3. Therefore, the common factors of 12 and 18 are 2 and 3 because it is common to both 12 and 18. Highest common factors, which is also written in short form as HCF. This is the highest factor of two or more numbers. Thus, 12 and 18 have 2 and 3 as the common prime factors. Then, the product of the common prime factors is the highest common factors. No other factor higher than 6 divides 12 and 18 common. So the highest common factor is obtained by getting the prime factors of the number concerned, then find the product of these common factors.